Welcome to part 3 of the fraction series. Let's introduce comparing fractions that have the same denominator. Have your students compare two quantities that are using the same units. In this case, I'm using blue tiles as my units. Now, instead of blue tiles, my units are going to change to eighths. So now on the left, I'll represent 3/8. On the right, I have 5/8. When we're looking at fractions that have the same denominator or the equal size parts, then we're really just comparing the quantity of those parts or the numerator. Let's do another example using fraction bars. Something else we want to emphasize the importance of is whenever we are comparing fractions, we're comparing fractions that have the same size whole. So again, to introduce this skill, have students compare different quantities that are using the same unit. Then you can relate that to what we're doing when we're comparing fractions that have the same denominator. Provide your students with opportunities to use that comparative language, such as less than or greater than. And as always, representing fractions on a number line will help students when comparing fractions as well as finding equivalent fractions. If you are a member, you can find these activities located in the Comparing Fractions section.